Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create sticker on the Instagram application. Now once you have opened the Instagram application, just go to the chats inside the Instagram and open the chat that you want to send the sticker. So just open it, and once you open the chat, let's say I want to send sticker to this person. So just open the chat, and just below the message option you can see multiple options. One is mic, second is picture, and third one is basically stickers. So just click on the sticker option and you will see multiple built-in stickers that are available inside the Instagram. Otherwise you will see these two options. One is music and the second is cutout. So just select the cutout option and just select the image that you want to create a sticker of. Now let's say I want to select this image and want to create a sticker. So you can just select manually as well. You can see that it is auto selected. Otherwise you can just adjust it by your choice, or you can just select manually and just like you can say tap on the image. And once you tap on the image, as you can see, like this has been set and for the sticker. So you can just click on save sticker, and now as you can see my sticker is being saved. It might take a few seconds to save, and once it is saved, as you can see, you can just click on it and it will be automatically sent to the person that you want to send to. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.